Friends, hello friends. Today we are going to solving this question of isometric view. Okay. So for this question, if you observe carefully, it is here front view and LHS view of the question is given, and origin is given at left side of the front view. So first of all, we are going to marking origin, and from this origin point we are going to taking length along right side 30-degree inclination line, and along left side 30-degree inclination line we are going to taking its width 56 mm width at left side, and total length of this object is 105, that we are going to marking at right side of this line, because in this question the origin is given at left side and total length according to this total length is 105 and width is 56. Okay, here 105 the length we have to mark here 105 length, then we have to mark here 56 width is 56, so along left side line we have to mark the 56 mm width. Okay, after this what we have to do, take the height. According to this question, height is 75 mm, so that we are going to marking along straight vertical line. 75 mm is the total height of the object. So 75 mm is the total height of the object, that we have to mark here, which is like this. In this way, first of all, we are going to completing a box. In this way, first of all, we have to complete a box of total length, maximum width and maximum height. Okay, after this what we have to do, after this we are going to marking the question. Now from this origin we are going to taking the dimension. From this origin we are going to taking the dimension 25 mm height, which is of this plate, having a bottom slot at a height of 10 mm. Okay, and having this bottom slot 60-degree inclination. So before starting this bottom slot, first of all we are going to marking this flat rectangle having a height of 25 and length is 105. Okay, and at left side we have to mark this shape of 60-degree inclination bottom slot. Okay, now mark 25 mm height. Now mark 25 mm height like this. From this point also at right side line vertical line 25 mm point. Similarly, left side vertical line 25 mm point we have to mark and join all those points by straight lines, means which are parallel to that 30-degree inclination lines respectively. Okay, with the help of drafter, this is quite easy for all of us. See, we have to take parallel line parallel to this line from this corner point. Okay, so this is easy with the help of drafter, remember, or roller scale. So I am just simply going to marking a line. Okay, actually here it is not needed, so I am not going to marking this line, because if you observe the question carefully, here is a straight surface, here is a inclined surface from this top end. Okay, according to this front view, here is a inclined surface. See here, this line indicates it has an inclined surface from this top end having a height of 75 mm at the back surface of right side line. From this is directly connected with the 25 mm height point. So I am just going to marking this inclined line. This is called as non-isometric line in case of isometric view. Okay, now this is line which is over here. This line is shown in front view. So from this corner point, right side corner point, to this left side area, we have to construct a those lines are called as non-isometric lines, because those are inclined lines and which are visible in front view as per question. Now here, after completion of this, see here, according to this we have completed this inclined line. Okay, after this what we are going to doing, on this inclined line there is a length 55 is given. From this length the dimension of this flat surface is given. So first of all, at a distance of 55 mm from this corner point, we have to, at a distance of 55 mm from this corner point, origin point, at a distance of 55 mm, we have to take a straight vertical line on this top plane, or we have to take straight vertical line on this inclined surface. And from this, as according to this question, whatever the splitted dimensions given over here, 15, 12, 15, 15, 12, 15, 12, that we are going to marking on that inclined surface directly with a straight line, remember. In this way, we have to transfer this point, 55 mm point, on this inclined line. And from this, similarly, I am just going to marking 55 mm point on this left side line of the top surface. From that top end, I am going to taking straight vertically down on this inclined surface, remember. So that point will come over here vertically down. Now after joining those points, now on this inclined line, I am just going to marking the dimensions 12 mm from this. Here this is also the 56. So from we have to mark initially its midpoint. We have to mark its midpoint, so it will be 26. From this, it will be at a 28 mm. Midpoint is at a 28 mm. So mark that point first of all. From that 28 mm point, we have to mark a 15 mm distance. 15 mm distance from this center on both sides. From this center point, both sides, means we have to take a 7.5 mm at left of this point and 7.5 mm at right side of this point. This is 15 mm dimension. After that, we have to take a 12 mm distance at left side as well as at right side of this point, 12 mm distance. So here it is 12 mm. So this point and this point as well as this point are needed according to given dimensions. Now we have to join this by straight line. This is actually visible part from front side. So I am going to making it dark from this top end to this inclined line. Okay. Now this is visible part. Again this is visible part. So and perfect edge. So that I am going to marking it as a dark. Similarly, this one is visible part. This is complete edge is visible. So make it dark. Similarly, the next line which is visible to us, that is this line. This is also visible to us. So going to making it dark. Base, I am not going to making it dark because on base here it is a bottom slot. So initially whatever the visible part, that initially I am just going to making it dark. See here, in this way we are going to making it dark. Like this. Now what is remaining here, we have to show. See here, according to this question, what is remaining over here, we have just completed this part of 12 mm, 15 mm and 12 mm. Now we have to forward this 15 mm is straight inclined to this end, to this left side end, to the till this origin. Okay.